We've got a big berm here for the lake is behind this berm, and then there's a spillway down the ways here, and this is kind of a nature trail we got going through here. Skeet trees and cactus.
Is that another trail?
I don't know. Could be that. Way
Just
back
a
to the
loop?
car. He heard us now. He took off.
Or is there more than one?
I don't think so. Yeah, armadillo over here. He kind of took off. Alright. Still on our nature trail here. Looks like here's a spillway for the lake. There's a lake on the other side of that berm. Okay, we've got some deer out here. The field. Victor deer. There's a lot of them. Some over here too.